Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome everybody to this session where we have ICT paper 2, that is this July, August 2026, 2 hours. That is UMTA, Uganda Muslim Teachers Association, one of the best mock bodies actually in Uganda. Uganda Certificate of Education, ICT paper 2, practical 2 hours. This is an O-level paper which was done, so I want to take you through both items. Remember, it consists of 2 items. They are compulsory. You are provided with the support file, the CD. You have to also continuously your work, and later on you should produce a hard copy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at item 1 and item 2 as well. This is item 2. So, but for now, let's first look at item 1. It was saying Kampala Innovation and Technology Forum, KTF, is preparing a median conference next month for innovators, researchers, and industry leaders. However, many attending participants are not fully informed. Public Relations Officer John is tasked with preparing materials to promote the conference and manage official invitations. She must prepare visually appealing documents for you during the event to explain its purpose and expect outcomes in bigger room. And another to formally invite selected participants only within 10 or more registered clients qualified to attend and their actual age indicated in the document. John, a friend of your relative, has limited skills and needs assistance. Participant record are stored in his IMTA support files, and the task is help John prepare all necessary documents. So always go through the scenario and understand it, interpret it. That's what matters. Secondly, we're gonna go to the support file. We see what they brought for us. As you can see in item 1, these are the files inside there. These are the files inside our support file. We're gonna open them and have a look at them. We have members file. It is here. You can see it is in form of a table, and that's the members file. Then another file, it is here, company files. It is also here. So these are the files in our support file. That is under item 1. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and create our folder. You can see the press Ctrl N and create our folder, that is James Faizo, maybe 001. So this is my folder here, is created. Then after that, you're gonna come open it. Let's try to balance the window. Let's open this window. Also balance it very well. Yeah, here we are. So as a student, once you are done creating your folder, you're gonna come and create a new folder within here and type item 1. Yeah, gonna give it item 1. Then later alone. So once you are done with item 1, you're going to copy item 1 files. You copy all these files, don't worry, just copy them. At least that's the first exercise. You have copied them, they were there. So we have copied the information from here for our folder. So here you can even close it because you don't want to interrupt or disorganize the support file, because in ICT you already deal with shifts, and another student will need to that very support file. So for us, we have copied our part, and here they are. So these are the files. Let's come back here and see what's the task you really want us to do. So we're gonna come here and look at the paper. So this they want us to prepare this document for researchers, as you can see, and they wanted you guys to write the selected participants for the conference. They were entered around 10 of them. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and and open our support file. Let's open the members file. We're gonna open it. So this is what we want. As a student, once you are done with interviewing or interpreting the scenario, according to me, I have realized that this scenario wants us to come up with a presentation. We shall come up with a presentation from here. 2, we shall come up with the invitation document or invitation letter to invite these members to the conference. I think that is it. And also organizing our data in a database. Actually, it would have been Excel. You can organize it either in Excel or in Access. So for me, I think it will be better for me to deal with this document or with this data in Access. So here are the solutions or the responses. So we're gonna copy this document. We're gonna actually import it in Excel. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here. We open our Excel sheet. We can call it this worksheet. Let's call it actually this workbook. Let's call it clients. We can call them clients. Okay, let's first call them members. It should be better to call them members. Let's rename it. Let's call the members. So let's open. We're gonna copy the members in Word here and paste them in Excel. So that's gonna be very easy. So we're gonna come here. We copy this table, copy, and come and paste. Yeah, our members here. Members plus their data is here in our Excel. If they don't look good, you can undo, come back and copy it again. Want it to look good, copy. Then you may come back here and right click and paste. So our data is here. You can put it in borders to look a bit okay. We can increase the font. Yeah, I think we can even change the format. Or we can use area. So we can arrange our column headings very well, as you can see. Yeah, we may even all these headings, even you can give them another color and another stuff here. So that is it. That's our table. So we can save these changes. So we can sort the date. The registered colors from here. We get the answer. Those who are above 10, from 10 and above, or we can even come to. We can also get their date because they want us to give them their real dates or age in here. So which would be hard for us in Excel. So we can just come here to simplify the thing in the database. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and open Access. We can right click and come and say Microsoft Access Database. You can name it members still, or let's name it members. Yeah, we can name it KITF, KITF. just name it like that. Enable content. The reason why I've named it KTF because of the company. This one, Kampala Innovation and Technology Forum, is preparing a major annual conference next month for innovative research and industry leaders. So this is why we wanted this database, because we are going to copy that data, whereby we wanted to compute the selected participants they want, and those members, only members with 10 or more registered clients qualify to attend their actual age, and their actual age indicated in the document. So this is what we want. One, we are going to create a query for members with 10 or more clients registered, and also after that we are going to create an age column and get their actual age. You get it? So that those members are invited with their age included. That's what we want. So that is very easy. We're gonna come in our access. We first import the data from Excel. We come here from file. We come and click Excel. That's importing data. So you should learn how to import data. We come to browse. While browsing, we go to desktop. We go to Cham's file 001 item 1 members. That's the Excel sheet. Then we click OK. First row contains column headings. You can check that, because we shall need that. Then click next. You can click next. Let me choose my own primary key. Yeah, should be member ID. Yeah. Next, you can give it the name. Let it be members. That's the table name. Then I can click finish here. Save import steps. I can don't like that. Let me just close here. So the members are here. As you can see, the members table is already here. I can double click on it. So as you can see it, I've imported the data or our table from at first was in word processing, then I had to copy and paste in Excel, from Excel then it is now imported in database. So after reaching here, then what we're gonna do here, we're gonna create a query for clients, for members with 10 or more clients registered. You get it? That's the most important part here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come to query, create. We're gonna create our query here. Query design. Let me use query design. Then I can name it. I can come here and import my table. I can get. I can get the table here. This is it. So after that, I'm gonna come here and highlight everything here. These are the fields which I wanted to highlight. Actually, before, let's first add the age field here and also organize our data types. So let's first come back here to the design. The primary is already provided according to our data here. So member ID, of course, that is it. It's can remain region. Date of birth, you should change it. Member ID, let's mention text, full name, short text, organization, short text, region, short text, registered clients, let it be number, of course it's number. Date of birth, let's change it to DOB, that is date or time. That's the better that's the better actually appropriate data type. Then here we can add a date, that is age field. You can add it there. We also give it data type, let's just give it a number. So once that is done, because age is always a number, so we can come back here. We change from datasheet to design view to datasheet view. Then we save the changes. Click yes. So you can see in our table we have added our field, and we have also changed the data type here for the date of birth. So we're gonna come here to create the query design. We come to members, add selected tables. So we're gonna highlight all these fields and drag or we drop them down here. We can just double click on each as to go down. I think that's the best way. It simplifies. That's also another way we can use date of birth and age. So here we're gonna first get the registered, the members more than registered clients, more than 10 registered clients, from 10 and above. So we're gonna come and write this formula here, and the criteria that is greater than or equal to 10. These are the ones they want, the members. Then we run the query. Come to query design, we run it. So these are the only members with 10 or more registered clients, and these are the ones which qualify to be invited to the conference. So after getting them, we can save this query as more than 10. You got 10 or more clients. I think that's what makes sense. Then from there, we're gonna create another query from this query, so that we get the age from this date of birth, because they wanted these members to have their age included in their invitation. So that is very easy. So we're gonna come and say create another query. That's query design. We're gonna come to queries. We add this. We're gonna come and add these fields. Date of birth, then age. So we're gonna come on the age. On age, we type our formula. That is date difference actually. Date difference. Then we're gonna open the brackets. We open the quotes. We put here. That is the year. Then we're gonna come and put this in the bracket. That is the date of birth. Date of birth. Also put that in brackets. then put a comma, then we type now, then we close our bracket. I believe here we shall be running our query. Yeah, so perfectly our years or age for each cloud is here. When you if you compute, this is the year for the age for these participants or members. So we can name this as age. Age 14 or more plus. So we click OK. So once that is done, we can now create a report from this. So this we got the class, we got everyone, what they want. So you can just make a simple report from this. So you're gonna come and click on create a report. So this is the qualified members to participate. So we can even change the title. You can say let's try to expand. We first go to page layout. Report layout, page setup. Yeah, let's first put in landscape. Yeah, it's now landscape. So I'm gonna come here, add some data here. Remove this. I can say a report for qualified invited members participate in the annual conference. Yeah, that can be our title, so we can try to expand this up around here. So still we can try to edit it a bit. Can come back here, we bold it, we can change, we can increase the size to around 28. We can centerline it, we can change the color, we can change the font face still. I think that's not bad. Yeah. So I won't go deep into that. You can always try to organize the report the way you want. So that is it. So you can click these changes. I can make it just a report. Save it as a report. So that's what we wanted from the database. So we have our table, we have our query for members with 10 or more clients. As you can see them here, registered, and the one qualified to be invited. We have for the one with their age from the query style, and then here we can make a simple report. So those are all scores, and we have scored a lot. Then the other thing, we need to assist our friend here, that is Joan. We need to help Joan prepare all necessary documents. One is done, so we are remaining with one document or two, and that we're gonna design an invitation letter so that we invite these members who are qualified into what we call the conference. So that is very easy. We're gonna come here, we open, let's even close here. We're gonna come and type, open our new Microsoft Word. We type invitation letter. Yeah, so we're gonna open it. So you're gonna ask yourself, what we're going to put here, what we're gonna put here. That is easy. As I can remind you, in our support file, we had this member file. Just a reminder, members list to attend, so which we have organized very well. But there was another document that is for what was called company files this year. So this file was supposed to be used in the presentation because we're gonna do it, and then we can also draft a simple letter, invitation letter from this. It is easy. So we gotta just start with copying this header or heading, Kampala Innovation Technology Forum. Let it be our header. So we're gonna paste it here. Remember, we're drafting an invitation letter, don't forget that. So we can even make it, let's first capitalize it. We can change the case to caps. Yeah, we can also make it a bit bigger. We can centerline it. You can increase on the size. No, that's too big. That's too much. Yeah, that's enough. So we can also come up with date. So of course, everybody must have the date. Today's 8th. Yeah, let me put that. No, today's 18th. That is 8th. So that's 2026. Yeah, we can reduce on the size to normal. That is 12 and not bolded. It should be on the right. Then we can start what we want. So here we're gonna put the address to. So we're gonna, that's the address for those people whom we are gonna send. Then here we can put right here, sir. You can leave that. Yes, sir, madam. Yeah. Just need to be creative a bit. So which other information we may need from here? We can say, yeah, on behalf of the organizing committee, we invite you yeah, we can write it here. So we can first select this, copy this, paste it in our letter. Yeah, on behalf of the Ugandans committee, we invite Uganda's brightest minds to move beyond the social creation, build and self coming together. here we inform them about the annual conference. The annual conference will be held next month, that is on maybe 18th September 2026. Yeah, I think there you can even put the time you want them, maybe at 10 a.m. In the boardroom. I don't know which boardroom, but that is if you have a room, a boardroom, special place. So here you can put yours. And say your presence will honor the occasion. Thanks. So here you say yours. So was written, that is John, yeah, I think it's John. Let me see here. Yeah, John, public officer, public relations officer. So we copy that, we come and paste it here. Yeah. So here we can write something like, can put something like this, like that. It separates our head. So after writing that, to me actually this is probably a mail merge in a simple term. Always don't forget to save your work or save the changes just in case power goes off. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna look at our table. We put the names of the members. So let's come. So that's what we wanted from this file for now. Let's first close it. Then we're gonna come to our folder here. Still look for the members they wanted. Let's look at age for 10 or more. So we shall need the member ID. No, we shall need their full name first and organization. Yeah. Yes, so these are the members which are invited to the occasion. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna indicate the full name. That is full name here. So after putting the full name there, we can put the member ID here. So here we can put the region. Let me see whether it was there. We put the organization first. Organization. Organizations done. So we're gonna come here. We also add the region and district. Let me see where they're there. Let's check here. We are, yeah, the district or region. So let's put it here also. It will be very important. District. Yeah. Because let's see whether there is any other important information. Yeah, you can put the registered clients. Registered clients. We can put the age here. Because the names are for this age for this guy. We can add age here. So I think this is an invitation letter, so the letter is gonna be sent to these people. So what we're gonna do next is to start the mail merging, so that we generate the list, the letters for these 10 guys who are qualifying. Actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But those with 10 or more registered clients, and this is their age. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come and import this into Word also. How? We're gonna come to mailings, we come to start mail merge. Sorry, we come to select recipients. We're gonna use existing list. Then we're gonna come to our desktop. We're gonna come to channel Phasor item 1. We come to KTF. So come and select for this query that is age for 10 or more clients. That's what we want. These are the members who qualify to be invited. Then we click OK. Good. So once that's done, we come here, we start inserting merge fields here. So we're gonna start with the full name. We're gonna highlight this full name, the guy whom we are sending the message, the letter to. So we put that. We come to member ID. We highlight it. We're gonna highlight member ID. Then we're gonna come to the age. Also, we set the age. Good. So we come to the organization also. We highlight that. We put this. Then from there we come to registered clients. Remove that. We add that. We come to the district also. We remove this. We add that. Region or district. Once that is done, then we're gonna come to finish and merge. So we come and click on individual documents, then click OK. All. Wow, it's perfectly done. It's perfect. perfectly done. So as you can see, these are our letters for all members who are invited in the conference. As you can see that we have the letter going to Dr. Florence Muktua, member ID of 001, and she has 34 years. We have the company is called Mechanical Research Labs, 14 plants registered, Kampala. As you can see, so that is, those are our letters, and every member is received. So from there, we can save our letters in our item 1, that is invitation letters, letters for invited members. So save. So these are our letters which we need to be printed, all of them. And this is our template, call it the template. So if you see the scale, I want to show you that's what the square needs from you. So this is it, and we close it. So these are the files so far which we have in our item 1. Lastly, we're gonna make a presentation, because remember they've told us that this D1 also needs to prepare all necessary documents. Remember, she was told that she must prepare a visual appealing document for use during the event, explain its purpose and expected outcomes in big room and another to formally invite selected participants. So we are done with selected participants. They have been invited and they receive their letters, and age indicate everything done. Now what we're gonna do here is to simply prepare a visual appealing document for during the event to explain its purpose and expected outcomes in big room. That's the presentation, of course. So that is easy. We're gonna create a presentation. You come here, you minimize. You also add Microsoft PowerPoint. Is here. It's a presentation. So open it, don't need to mention so much. So definitely they have given you what to put. So that's why we need this document here. We come to our folder, we open company files. So this document is back in action. They have given us what to put on the main slide. Title is here, subtitle they have given it to us. So and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna highlight this title, of course that's what they want in the first slide. So we're gonna copy it and come and paste it here. Then we come to subtitle. We open this, we copy this statement. We come and paste it. That's also done. That's our title slide is complete. Then we can come to slide 2, new slide. Insert a new slide. We add this welcoming address codes. Welcome to TTF. So we can just put this one here. So come to KTF, then you can write the remarks which are under it. So this one comes back here. Just copy and paste here. Then we create another slide. We come to this document, you see which other stuff we need. So the digital innovation gaps on this slide, that's what they want as a title. So we copy it and paste it here. Then we come to the ecosystem fragment. So you can as a form of subtitle also. So we can paste it here and press enter. We come and copy this content because they have given it to us. We copy it and paste it here. We come and insert another slide. So as a student here, we need to exercise the skills of copying and pasting in the right place. See the directional capitals. We copy and paste. We come to navigating ICT compliance content. We copy, we paste. So we come to new slide. We come to our file. They have given us what to put there in slide. So we copy this and paste it there. We come here. We can also section here, we copy it, paste it there. We come back here, we copy this content, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. We copy them, come and paste that here. Let's remove this. So we come to another slide here. Look at the content. The pillars of the conference and the title. We copy this, paste it here. So we come here, we copy data governance. The content is here. Copy all this. Come and paste it here. So we can just remove this. You can also remove this pillar. You can remove this content here. Remove this pillar here. And you can also remove this content. So those are the key pillars of the conference. You come and insert another slide. According to this, there is still more content to be copied. That is B2B. With one card, you copy it and paste. You come come back here, you copy this data or this content, 10 plus registered. So paragraph 1 up to paragraph 2. So we can remove that. Remove this paragraph 1 and this. Then from there you can also come to insert. I think the last or second last. I think the last. This is the last slide. So, and that is the expected outcomes. We copy them, we come and paste it here. We come here, we copy the other data. We come and paste it here. So the variables are here. So without wasting much time, we can just come to design and select any design of your choice. You can even choose this color if you want to. You can try to put some transitions in your presentation to look colorful. You can come slide 2, put another one. You can put no text. Slide 3, you can put honeycomb. Slide 4, you can put reveal. You can put checkbox. So you keep on inserting any of your choice lecture. Or even you can even come here and say I want these traditions to be, I want all of them to have vortex and be applied to all. Animations, you can come to line. So if we come to the issue here from beginning, so all of them are going to be like this. Also, as you're going to have that kind of a transition, so and so many others. So you guys, that's what they expected you to do. You can add more, you can, but due to time, that's what you had to do. So that means in item 1 folder, an examiner expected you to have what is a presentation, to have an invitation letter, to have your files or data sorted and computer organized in either Excel or database. You can convert in Excel, you can have word processing, you can have letters orientation, you can use mail merge. So those are like 7 files inside one item 1. So guys, that's what I had for you today. Let's meet in item 2.